Hello and welcome to Daily Salar Digital. You're watching the news print and let's look at the news that made the headlines today. In a catastrophic event, a formidable 7.6 magnitude earthquake rocked Ishikawa, Japan, triggering tsunami warnings for Ishikawa, Niigata and Toyama. Residents evacuated as a 1-meter tsunami hit with potential 5-meter waves. NHK, a public broadcaster, footage depicted collapsing buildings and tremors reached Tokyo. Over 36,000 households lost power, though nuclear plants reported no issues. Government officials urged preparedness for aftershocks. Japan, prone to earthquakes, recalled the 2011 tragedy that claimed 20,000 lives. The nation faced another perilous moment, emphasizing the ongoing seismic risk in the region. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO successfully launched the X-ray polarimeter satellite, also known as XPOSat, the country's first polarimetry mission to reach space-based polarization measurements of X-ray emissions from celestial sources like black holes. It was launched at 9:10 a.m. from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. The PSLV C-58 rocket, marking its 60th mission, effectively placed the XPOSat payload into low Earth orbit. XPOSat, following its successful launch, will become India's third space-based observatory, joining the ranks of the recently launched solar mission Aditya L1 and AstroSat. Protests by truckers have swept India due to a new law toughening penalties for hit-and-run cases, allowing up to 10 years of jail time. This change, part of the 2023 Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, replaced the old penal code. Truckers fear it might discourage drivers and complicate accident procedures. Strikes in Haryana's Jind and concerns about unintended fog-related penalties add to the dissent. The law, criticized as a black law, sparked demonstrations in Lucknow and Madhya Pradesh, with some blocking roads in West Bengal. Transporters emphasize unintentional accidents and the potential for mob violence as key issues, prompting their resistance. In Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, a speeding car collided with a road divider, then a pole near Circuit House Square, killing 5 occupants instantly. Another succumbed to injuries in the hospital. The incident occurred around 5 a.m. and the impact trapped all 8 individuals inside, requiring a gas cutter for extraction. The victims, residents of Baba Ashram, ignored family warnings against the 4:30 a.m. journey following a late night tea party. Despite efforts, the crash brought sorrow, prompting Chief Minister Hemant Soren to express condolences and wish a swift recovery for the injured. Gujarat has secured a place in the Guinness Book of World Records for most people performing Suryanamaskar simultaneously. This morning saw over 4,000 participants from 108 locations and across 51 different categories performing Suryanamaskar on the occasion of New Year. The record-setting gathering took place at the majestic Modhera Sun Temple, with the presence of Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel and Home Minister Harsh Sanghvi. Various groups including families, students, yoga enthusiasts and senior citizens actively participated in this event. Bengaluru's Phoenix Mall of Asia moved to the High Court, challenging a police-ordered closure until January 15, citing traffic issues. In the Karnataka High Court, Justice M.G.S. Kamal directed both parties to seek an amicable solution and temporarily halted any abrupt action. The court scheduled the next hearing for January 2nd. The police closure order stemmed from traffic chaos and public disturbance, demanding the mall provide parking for 10,000 cars and 10,000 two-wheelers. Additionally, noise pollution concerns were raised by Karnataka State Pollution Control Board, contributing to the regulatory challenges faced by the recently opened mall. 18-year-old Tarun Balachandra, the family's sole breadwinner from Shivamogga, faced tragedy with a severe head injury leading to brain death. Despite medical interventions, his condition did not improve. Dr. Naveen M.A. attempted surgery, but Tarun couldn't survive. After a 48-hour wait, grief, counseling and initial reluctance, Tarun's parents agreed to organ donation. His heart, liver, kidneys and eyes found new homes, breathing life into 6 middle-aged recipients. This selfless act showcases the transformative power of organ donation, providing hope and renewal amid a heartbreaking loss. The price of aviation turbine fuel saw a 4% reduction, marking the third consecutive monthly decline. Simultaneously, commercial cooking gas (LPG) rates saw a slight decrease of ₹1.50 per 19 kg cylinder, aligning with global benchmarks. However, the cost of domestic LPG utilized in household kitchens remained unchanged at ₹903 per 14.2 kg cylinder. The price of ATF in the national capital was reduced by rupees 4,162.5, equivalent to a 3.9% decrease, bringing it to rupees 1,01,993.17 per kiloliter as per notifications from state-owned fuel retailers. In the national capital, a 19 kg commercial LPG cylinder will now be priced at rupees 1,755.50, while in Mumbai it will cost rupees 1,708 rupees 50. On Monday, Australian cricketer David Warner announced his retirement from one-day international cricket along with ending his test career this week. He will continue playing T20 cricket for Australia and hasn't ruled out participating in the 2025 Champions Trophy if needed. The 37-year-old expressed being very comfortable with retiring from ODIs. His 112th and final test match against Pakistan at the Sydney Cricket Ground begins on Wednesday. Throughout his ODI career, Warner played 161 matches, scoring 6,932 runs, securing the 6th position in the list of highest run scorers in Australian ODI history. Former Australian captain Steve Waugh criticized the ICC and major cricket boards, including the BCCI, for neglecting Test cricket. His remarks follow South Africa prioritizing its T20 league, resulting in a weekend Test squad for the New Zealand tour. CSA's ruling made South Africa 20 franchise players ineligible for Test, prompting Waugh to question the decline of Test cricket. He urged the ICC and boards of India, England and Australia to intervene and preserve the integrity of the purest form of the game. Stay informed with Daily Salar Digital and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for ongoing updates.